My name is Olivia Karras, and I work for the Department of Ecology's Center of Sustainable Food Management, helping businesses understand the new organics management law and how it impacts them. In this video, you will learn how to use the Business Organics Management Areas Map, or BOMA map. The BOMA map shows businesses that are required to comply with the business collection requirements portion of the Organics Management Law. At the beginning of 2024, Washington's Organics Management Law required businesses located within certain areas of the state to sign up for curbside organics collection service. To help businesses determine if they are impacted, we have created a web-accessible map that shows the areas where businesses will need to comply with the law. An important note I want to mention is that the map is required by law to be updated every year by July 1st. We recommend businesses check this map at least once a year to determine whether or not they are impacted. We expect more areas to be impacted over time as these services expand. And you can visit our webpage to access this map. You can scroll down the page to open this map in another browser. If you are in a blue shaded area on the map, you are in a BOMA and may be impacted by the law, so keep watching. Let's walk through how to use this interactive map. Let's say your business is located in Poulsbo. In the upper right-hand box that states Find Address or Place, you can type POULSBO or Poulsbo, Washington. The map will point you to that location. You can see here that Poulsbo is not impacted, so your local business is not required to comply with the law. However, just because you are not required to comply doesn't mean you can't manage your organics in a beneficial way. So let's try another example. This time your business is in Leavenworth. You can type LEAVENWORTH for Leavenworth, Washington. So let's see if you're impacted. Yes, you can see here that Leavenworth is in a blue shaded area. Again, if you are in a blue shaded area, you may be impacted if you generate enough food and organic waste to fill a 96-gallon residential sized bin or more each week. If you don't generate any organic waste or generate very little, less than 96 gallons, you are not required to comply with this law. If you don't know how much organic waste you generate, you can contact us or visit our website to learn more. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, you can reach me and my team directly at organics, ORGANICS, at ecy.wa.gov. We are excited to help you and your business on your organics and food waste journey.